Hello everyone, this is Leanne at the National Weather Service in Missoula. I'm bringing you your planning briefing for today and the next several days worth of weather and concerns through at least early next week. So some key points real quick. Now through Saturday, we're expecting seasonable temperatures with daily afternoon breezes and dry conditions. There is a slight chance, maybe very isolated chance, of storms possible in northwest Montana on Saturday, but it's pretty low confidence at this point. By Sunday, we get a cold front coming in and increasing winds and a much more widespread chance for thunderstorms, especially across west central and southwest Montana. And then next Monday through about midweek, we go back into a warmer and drier trend, very similar to what we're experiencing at the time that this is being recorded. So how does that shake down into our threat matrix? We're looking at southwest Montana has just about the most concerns, and it's basically boiled down to dry and abnormally warm. So winds on Saturday prior to the cold front, thunderstorms on Sunday, and then by next Tuesday we're kind of warming and drying again. So we got that moderate chance of winds, humidities, thunderstorms, the whole gamut. So dry for the first half. Sunday's got the cold front. Monday's still pretty cool. And we start drying out and warming back up by Tuesday. So now through Saturday, here on the left is a max temperature grid image, and on the right is a minimum humidity image. And it's just kind of to give you a ballpark of what we're expecting, with the warmth at our peak heating, which the warmest day during this time period should be Friday, and also the driest day. So obviously what stands out here is very warm just about everywhere, but very, very dry down in southwest Montana and portions of west central Montana as well. So this should give you a pretty clear idea of what we're dealing with over the next couple of days. The Sunday cold front, it's going to come down out of Alberta, so it's not coming out of the west, it's coming out of the north. And the winds are expected to increase widespread. I don't believe that the north central Idaho forest will see the bulk of the winds. They will get a chance at precipitation as shown in this this image. The darker blues and greens are heavier precipitation. And so northwest Montana and along the Continental Divide will be pretty wet, and they'll have a high chance, or at least a moderate chance at the very least, of wetting rains. But then the further south you go, west central Montana and southwest Montana, you start getting into a more convective, unstable atmosphere. And so that's where the thunderstorm potential will be the highest on Sunday. So it's kind of a tale of two geographic portions, but one cold front. But definitely a change from what we're seeing over the next few days. Sunday will definitely feel much cooler, much wetter, and much windier. So how does that compare with temperatures and RHs? So on the left are Sunday's high temperatures, about 10 to 20 degrees cooler than what we are seeing on Friday and Saturday. And then the minimum humidities on Sunday are quite moist. So still a little bit low in central Idaho and over in southwest Montana, but overall an improvement. And then what can we expect after Sunday? Well, going into early to mid next week, this is basically showing you the trends. So if you look, we're kind of, western Montana and central Idaho are kind of in between system. The bright reds and yellows show high pressure building in from the Pacific Northwest. And then obviously the bulging blue in the Midwest is exiting low pressure. So what we can glean from this is that we are likely going to transition back into a warm and dry pattern, at least for the early half of next week. And that is it. Our next planning briefing is Sunday, June 20th, and we will see you then. Thanks so much.